Here's how you're going to use shapes in Noteful and what they're used for.
With the Shapes tool, if there's a certain shape that you want to add into Noteful, you're just going to click on Shapes right here, and then you want to choose the shape. Now, it's not going to show up blue. It's going to show up whatever color you have selected over here. So let's say that you wanted it to be pink. First, you're going to click on whatever color you want. If the color you want it to be is not up here, you're going to tap on one of these, and then you're going to go and choose whatever color you want it to be before you add that shape in. So let's say that I want it to be like yellow. So I'm going to click yellow, then I'm going to go to my shapes and click on the shape, and then it's going to add in that shape in that color. This is a really good option if you wanted to like hide something. So let's say that you wanted to hide this January. Instead of using your lasso to take a screenshot of a white area, what you could do instead is go over here, choose white. So I'm going to just choose white right here. Then choose shape, insert that rectangle, and then it's going to create a white rectangle. And then I can drag this and drop it to cover up my header. So that's one way that you can use shapes in Noteful.